Hey, hi, this is Sambhu Kumar, and today I'm going to talk about the process that happens behind the scene when you click debug switch inside stm32cubeIDE and you are using a Stirling debug hardware. So, suppose once you click the debug switch, what happens is it starts a GDB server, ST-Link GDB server, that is right here, and it also starts a ST-Link GDB client. So the GDB server first started and creates a TCP port at a particular port and waits. Then the GDB client connect to that port and ask for some commands like send the halt command to stop the CPU at a particular PC, and then this command is translated into USB format. The command sent by GDB client is in form of RSP, remote serial protocol. This is converted into USB protocol by ST-Link GDB server. Then ST-Link, above the ST-Link GDB server, there is something called ST-Link server, that is the middleware. So the ST-Link server handles all the communication, that is it basically a traffic controller handles all the USB communication. All right. So the ST-Link server then transfer this command to the ST-Link hardware debugger. Then the ST-Link hardware debugger send this command to the CPU core site, that is the debug hardware inside your CPU called core site. So the hardware debugger transfer this via SWD, serial wire debugging protocol. So it transfer that to the core site. Core site receives the command and then it send the particular instruction to the CPU core. So the CPU core halt, then CPU core responds with the status. Then the core site received that status. It transfer back to the hardware. The hardware transfer back to the ST-Link. The ST-Link server transfer back to the ST-Link GDB server. The ST-Link GDB server transfer back to the ST-Link GDB client. And there on your window you see that the CPU is halted at a particular program counter or location you see. So this is the complete process. And one more thing, in this there is ST-Link GDB server, there is ST-Link server, there is GDB client. So three softwares are working together. The only hardware is ST-Link debugger and the core site in the CPU.